Question 16, we'll look at the numbers and let's see any pattern involved, okay? Here, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, pretty straightforward, huh? So the next one must be 12. Figure 5 must be 12. Because you always add 2, right? Always add 2, always add 2, always add 2. Next one, just add 2 also, we get 14. Okay, quite easy. Okay, the next one, right, here, 5 to 8 is plus 3, 8 to 11 plus 3, 11 to 14 plus 3. So next one also, you just plus 3 is 17, and then you plus 3 again is 20. Okay, so this is a must get mark for part A. Okay, so now you want to find the total number of squares and triangles, means you need to find this one, total number of squares and triangles. In figure 102, look at this, you start with a number 5. Then you always what? You always plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, yeah? Okay, so this is what is going to happen. 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus, I don't know how many 3, okay? I don't know. Then, how do I know how many 3s are there? Okay, look at this, you'll see a pattern. If I plus 1 3, right, I will go to figure 2. If I plus 2 3, right, I will go to figure 3. If I plus 1 2 3, 3 3s, I will go to figure 4. If I plus 1 2 3 4, I plus 4 3s, I will go to figure 5. So, if this is figure 102, how many 3 will you add? 101. Okay, very good. Why? Because the number here, right, that you add is always 1 lesser than your figure number. Because you got add 1 3 here is figure 2. You add 2 3 here is figure 3. So the number that you add here is always 1 lesser than the figure number that you are getting. So if this is figure 102, right? 102 you minus 1, you will have 1013s. So which also means is 5 plus 101 times 3. So end up, right, remember your board must come about 101 times 3 must do first. Okay, so that will give you 5 plus 303, and then it's 308. Okay, so this one I'm using number sense or math sense to derive that pattern. If you think you're bad in math and you really cannot get this formula out, then you memorize this formula. First number plus figure number minus 1 times common difference. Yeah, so even if you're bad at math, you go and spend a bit of effort, go and memorize it, you can get the mark. So what is first number? First number is the first number you start with, which is a 5. Okay, figure number is 102, so 102 you minus 1, then common difference is the difference that you keep getting here, like plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, right? Then you times 3. You'll still get back the same answer, 308. Okay, so no excuses that you cannot do this question. Alright. Find the figure number which has a total of 1742 squares and triangles. So just now, right, we talked about the formula is must be start with first number, right? So first number is a 5. Okay, so I'm going to use 5 plus. Now, they ask you for figure number, means we don't know that figure number, right? So if we don't know that, then we write it down first, okay? Plus figure number minus 1 multiplied by my common difference here. I always add a 3 to get to the next one. So my common difference is a times 3. So when I apply this formula that time, right, I am supposed to get the value of 1742 squares and triangles. So equals to 1742. Remember, when we want to go from left side to right side, right, is we will do the bracket first. Then we'll do the times, then we do the plus, right? But now it's working backwards. So we cannot do a bracket first already. We have to perform the last change. If here is a plus 5, opposite is 1742 minus away the 5. Minus away the excess first. So you minus 5, you will get 1737. You minus 5 already, the next thing to reverse is the times 3. So opposite of times 3 is going to be divided by 3. Then you get 579. Once you get 579, you are left with only this part. So opposite is plus 1, because you are reversing. Okay, 579 plus 1 is 580. 580 is your figure number. You can do one more step to check your answer. That is, you key in the calculator. 5 plus 580 minus 1 times 3. You key in the calculator, it must give you 1742.